Wood is an organic material that can develop cracks and defects over time. Learning how to repair and fill cracks in wood is essential for preserving its beauty and functionality. Begin by carefully inspecting the wood to identify the nature and extent of the damage. Larger cracks require a different approach, such as using wood glue and clamps. Apply wood glue along the crack and carefully align the pieces together. Secure them with clamps until the glue dries. Once the repairs are dry, carefully sand the surface to achieve a smooth and seamless finish. Finally, apply a protective finish to the repaired area to enhance its appearance and protect it from future damage. Repairing and filling cracks or defects in wood restores its beauty and extends its lifespan.